Hi, everyone. Well, why gold? Why now? The important truth. That's what we're talking about today. And it's very topical because gold's not just hit 5,000 US dollars per ounce, but even 5,100 US dollars per ounce at the end of January 2026. But why? Nickel hit 100,000 a ton back in early 2022 when Russia invaded Ukraine, but it's taken 4 years for gold and silver to spike up together to very high levels. Well, the reason is gold and silver are not driven simply by geopolitical matters and insecurity of that nature, or even geopolitical economics, so currencies and needing other commodities to back currencies like gold, as has been the case over the last few hundred years since Isaac Newton made that fateful mistake in 1717, getting the gold and silver price, getting the silver price wrong, that effectively created the gold standard. So the main thing is that technology is now advancing to such a degree, people are happy with that. And they need the ancient value anchors of gold and silver. That's the reality. And people are now getting into that in a big way because we have the AI trade, which is not going away. AI is critical to reducing the vast amounts of noise that's out there and converting it into signal for people. So there's just too much noise, too much information out there, and you need AI to answer the questions for you, to create signal, right? So you ask specific questions, you get specific answers from AI, and AI does the annoying thing of crunching vast amounts of data, which humans can't do. We cannot process trillions of bits in a couple of seconds, but guess what? AI can. They can do quadrillions of data points. So that means that technology is delivering in a very big way, but it creates a countervailing yearning for the ancient value anchors of gold and silver, because now we have too much that is digital and technological in terms of digital assets, digital value, technology, as well as paper assets, so on and so forth. And you have to have a hedge against that, a countervailing force, and that's gold and silver. It's a fantastic balance, this ancient store of value for what we're creating now, which is fine. And digital assets are fine, and paper assets, paper currencies, but they're not perfect. And the only way to balance the paper, the digital, the technological, is to use the ancient value anchors of gold and silver. And that's what's happening now, and why gold and silver is moving now, and yet didn't move as much back in 2022. Anyway, please have a look at the links that I've provided in the show notes. I think you'll find them interesting, and please get in touch. Thanks.